Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special in store for you: the Fluance Elite High-Definition Two-Way Bipolar Surround Speakers, designed to deliver the ultimate surround sound experience in your home theater. These Fluance Elite Bipolar speakers are not just any speakers. They are the best rear speakers for surround sound available in the market. Let's dive right into what makes them so exceptional. First and foremost, these speakers are designed to reproduce movie theater sound with immersive bipolar surrounds. They offer a unique bipolar radiation pattern that creates a 3D soundstage, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether it's the rumble of a high-speed locomotive or the thrilling sound effects of your favorite blockbuster, these speakers will enhance your cinematic experience like never before. But it's not just about sound, it's also about build quality. These Fluance Elite speakers are expertly crafted with engineered MDF wood cabinetry. This design reduces cabinet resonance, ensuring you get a clean and natural sound. Now, let's take a look at the technical specifications. These speakers are a two-way, 4-driver bipolar surround system. They feature dual 1 neodymium balanced dome ferrofluid cooled tweeters and dual 4 polymer treated woofers with butyl rubber surrounds. With a power handling range of 20 to 100 watts, they cover a frequency response from 130 Hz to 20 kHz, providing clarity in both highs and mids. The versatility of these speakers is another standout feature. While they are perfect as rear speakers in a 5.1, 6.1, or 7.1 surround setup, they can also shine as front or side speakers in your home theater system. Whether you place them beside or behind the listeners, they create an extremely convincing surround ambiance that elevates your audio experience. And here's the icing on the cake. These Fluance Elite bipolar speakers come with a full lifetime parts and labor manufacturer's direct warranty, along with lifetime customer support. You can enjoy your immersive sound experience with peace of mind. So, how much does this incredible audio experience cost? Well, you can find these speakers on Amazon.com for just $119.99 for the pair. And with free delivery, it's an offer you don't want to miss. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best rear speakers for your surround sound system that deliver top-notch performance and a cinema-like experience in the comfort of your home, look no further than the Fluance Elite Bipolar speakers. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy watching and listening.